listen to this video, you'll feel more attractive, you will feel more magnetic, you will feel more confident. But make sure you take at least one of the point that I'm going to tell you in this video, because if you did, only after that, I promise you, you will already see a change. So let's dive right into it. Hello guys, I'm your Tanuja Pawar. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about become uninterested. Like, you have to become very uninterested in what people think about you, what people says about you. You literally have to turn on the do not disturb button. You have to make yourself understand, like, it's their choice. They can think whatever they want to think about you. It is not longer your problem. You have to stay very connected to your source, to your true origin, to your true essence. Because if you are, you will always have a very high opinion of yourself. And then whenever people are saying anything, whatever they want to say about you, it will not affect you, because now you are vibrating on a very higher frequency. Please understand, like, when people are talking behind someone's back, when people are engaging themselves in a hateful conversation, or you can say judgmental gossip, or when you are judging someone, when you are making fun of someone, these kind of people are vibrating on a very low frequency. When you have only interest in what universe says about you, when you have only interest in what your god says about you, you will start rotating on a very high frequency. And these frequency, honey, cannot be matched. You literally have to train yourself to no longer care about people opinions, and it is honestly not that hard. And to be honest, when I was younger, people call me egoistic, but I have this attitude of not caring about people opinions. I have this attitude of not caring about what people are saying about me, what people are thinking about me. What I have noticed, people are even more attracted to me because I didn't care at all. I don't know, but I am just not interested. That time people call me egoistic, but now I get to know this is a very beautiful mantra to live a life in peace. I can't listen to the people who are not even matching to my vibe. And maybe the reason behind this, nowadays I am so focused, my mind is so focused about what I have to do next, what I have to become. And so when I wake up in the morning, all my focus is on my energy. I only think about, like, I have to give my best today. I only think about, like, what are the tasks for today, what I have to do. Okay, I have to do this is okay. I only think about these kind of stuff. And even I feel, when we are so busy in becoming the best version of ourselves, when we are so busy in becoming the higher version of ourselves, not caring becomes very easy. So when next time when someone comes to you to tell you some rumors about you, just say no, thank you. Because most of the time people come to you to tell you rumors about you just to make you feel bad of what you are doing. And now the things that you allow to listen or to see, you cannot erase them from your memories. See, देखो, दो तरीके की चीजें होती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक, मैंने अलाउ करा, मैं अपना एग्जाम्पल देके समझाती हूँ कि मैंने बहुत सुना हुआ है कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा स्किनी हूँ, मैं पतली हूँ, मैं हड्डी हूँ, और मैं हवा चलेगी तो उड़ जाऊंगी, मैं कुछ खाती नहीं हूँ, फलाना फलाना. ये सब चीजें मैंने बहुत सारी सुनी हुई है. अब ये चीजें मैंने अलाउ करी सुनना. क्या ये चीजें, मैं कभी वेट गेन हो भी जाएगा, क्या ये चीजें मेरे माइंड से तब भी जाएंगी? नहीं ना. क्या मैं इन चीजों को इग्नोर कर सकती हूँ, बट इन फ्यूचर मेरा कभी भी वेट गेन होता है या कभी भी बॉडी ठीक होती है, तो सबसे पहला मेरे दिमाग में जो पॉपअप होगा वो क्या चीज होगी? अच्छा, दिखा दिया ना जो लोग मुझे बोलते थे पतली है पतली है. तो हमें ऐसी थिंकिंग भी नहीं लानी, ऐसी ये थिंकिंग भी गलत है. ठीक है, हमें किसी को दिखाने के लिए कुछ नहीं करना, हमें सिर्फ खुद के लिए करना. अब यही चीज होता है कि जब हम अपने लिए कुछ भी गलत सुनना अलाउ करते हैं ना, वो चीजें, वो बातें हमेशा के लिए हमारी मेमोरीज में बैठ जाती है. ठीक है, अगर कोई पुराना ट्रॉमा है, किसी ने पहले कुछ बोल दिया था, अब हम उसको इरेज कर सकते हैं, अब हम उसे इग्नोर कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए हम बिकम अनइंटरेस्टेड हो सकते हैं. बट अब हम कोई नया ट्रॉमा नहीं लेंगे, अब हम कोई नई गॉसिप नहीं सुनेंगे अपने बारे में. ठीक है, अब हमें कोई नई चीजें, नई बातें अपने बारे में, अपने माइंड में एड ऑन नहीं करनी है. ओके, you have to take more care about what you are feeding inside your brain. Like, for example, you literally have to follow that गांधी जी के 3 बंदर वाला concept. बुरा ना देखो, बुरा ना सुनो, बुरा ना कहो. अपने बारे में don't see anything bad, अपने बारे में don't say anything bad, अपने बारे में don't hear anything bad. You have to start living for yourself. You have to be so focused of what you want to do, what you have to become. It will just take few days to follow this, guys. This is not that much tough. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। इन्हीं छोटी छोटी हैबिट से मिलके ही एक दिन बड़ा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में बहुत टाइम लगता है, वो एक बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस। ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें है ना, इन्हें अपनी हैबिट में उतार लो। ये कोई इतनी बड़ी नहीं है कि आपको 6 महीने लगेंगे इसको अपनाने में। ये बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं। यू हैव टू अडेप्ट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। थिंक ऑफ हु यू वांट टू बी इन फ्यूचर। बिकम सो बिजी इन मेकिंग अ विजन ऑफ हायर वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ इन टू योर हेड। Get out of your mind and think out of the box. See, people who genuinely do not care about people's opinions are the people who have a purpose, are the people who see what they want to become in future, are the people who have a dream. That desire only care about their vision. You literally have to develop a warrior mentality. I always tell myself that I am going to stand in a very first row. I want to be a warrior. I want to be challenged because I know whenever God made me go through tough situation or God made me go through tough challenges, He will reward me with this big. And you can only get this state of mind when you are stop being afraid, when you realize that all your fears are just only an illusion, that are not true. They are only illusions that you created in your mind just because of your insecurities. किसी ने पास्ट में आपको बोल दिया होगा कि यू आर नॉट प्रिटी इनफ, यू आर नॉट स्मार्ट इनफ, तुझसे तो हो नहीं पाएगा, तू तो कर नहीं पाएगी। उन्हीं बातों को आपने इतना ओवरथिंक कर लिया फिर कि अब वो चीजें इतनी भारी हो गई आपके दिमाग में कि वो आपको कुछ अगला फ्यूचर के लिए जो चीज आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है, जो चीज हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, जो चीज नहीं हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, हम जो कर सकते हैं, हम जो करना चाहते हैं उसमें हमें स्टेप ही नहीं लेने दे रही है वो फियर्स। हमने इतने ज्यादा क्रिएट कर लिया अपने माइंड में, और जो कि सब इल्यूजन है, हमारी मन गढ़ंत बातें हैं। कोई फियर कोई कुछ नहीं है, हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। वो सारे सिर्फ एक इल्यूजन है कि मुझसे नहीं होगा, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा। अरे भाई, तुम नहीं तो कौन, मैं नहीं तो कौन। भगवान ने सबको इक्वली दिमाग बांटा है ना, भगवान ने सबको इक्वली दिन का टाइम बांटा है, 24 आवर्स फॉर एवरीवन। अब वो आपके ऊपर है कि आप अपने 24 घंटे कैसे यूज कर रहे हो। कोई बंदा प्रोडक्टिव वे में यूज कर लेता है अपने 24 घंटों को, तो वो सक्सेस पा लेता है। अब आप सो के निकाल दो या फिर आप बेकार की चीजों में निकाल दो, तो आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिलती। अब इसमें भगवान की तो कोई दोष नहीं है ना, इसमें वो चीज तो आपने अपनी हैबिट में उतारी है ना। आपने इल्यूजन क्रिएट करे अपने माइंड में कि मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा, शायद, अगर, ये वाले वर्ड है ना। दूसरे बंदे ने रिस्क लिया एंड वो आगे बढ़ गया। These illusions are holding you back from stepping into your best potential. You literally have to become so used to of hearing, no, you are not good enough, no, you are not pretty enough, no, you are not smart enough, no, you are not enough, no, you don't deserve love. ठीक है, you have to become so used to of hearing no in such a way that you start don't take these words personal anymore. You literally have to become so used to of hearing no to step into the most confident version of yourself and to make yourself uninterested in people opinion. You have to make yourself hurt in starting, but guys, it all will worth it. Okay, so if I help you in any way through this video, help me in growing this channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to comment about your experience in the comment section. Until next time, keep shining.